You know, welcome back to Local 5 Live. Medicare enrollment is here, and having a good health plan is important to your physical health and well-being, as well as your financial health and well-being.
Jim Dietschy, Chief Operating Officer with Bellin Health, and Dave Jansen, Vice President of Payer and Provider Strategies with ThedaCare, are here to go over the Robin options. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning, guys.
So, Dave, what is the first thing you ask everyone when Medicare annual enrollment comes around each year?
I like to ask them to review their current plan because a lot of people don't realize that their plans can change from year to year. So it's important to review the plan. Robin with Health Partners, for example, in 2020 has enhanced their benefit package, adding a hearing aid benefit and covering diabetic supplies at 100%. So that's exciting, at the same cost as last year.
Nice. All right, Jim, let's talk about provider networks. They're such a hot topic. Why is it important that people think about their provider networks?
Well, first and foremost, provider networks can vary in size and scope, and some are very broad and include all providers, and some are narrow. So what's really important is your physician, your physical therapist, if you have one, if you're in a skilled nursing facility, making sure that that benefit is covered by that insurance company. Fortunately for Robin, both Bellin and ThedaCare and other providers are in network, and you just want to make sure that your providers are in that network.
Okay. Specifically your primary care doctor, why is it important to have that primary care home?
Yeah. Well, I think it's important for everyone to have a primary care physician. Developing a relationship with your doctor, building trust, it leads to better communication and an improved understanding of that person's healthcare needs. And I think ultimately, a doctor that knows you is better able to take care of you.
Let's talk about preventive care as well, because a lot of, Medicare Advantage plans like Robin offer incentives for preventive care.
Yeah, so, a lot of Medicare plans, like you said, offer more than that, more than just doctor visits. Dave just mentioned that the Robin product includes a hearing aid benefit. Our product also has dental coverage as well as other benefit coverages like fitness centers is another example of that.
All right, having two experts here, I have to ask both of you, what else should we be considering when we're shopping for Medicare plans?
Yeah, picking a Medicare plan can be, very, very personal. So what I always, ask people is really take the plan for a test drive. You could call the organization's member service line. Get a feel for the organization. It's always great to talk to a member who's experienced the plan. That's very helpful. Attend a community meeting. Robin with Health Partners has several community meetings now scheduled through December 7th, which is the end of the annual enrollment period. So if you could take check one of those out, that'd be helpful. And then also, there's local agents can be a great resource.
Jim, any last words on what else we should consider when shopping?
No, I think the big thing is that people just start the process now so that they're complete before the annual enrollment period is done.
All right, well, let's talk about how to reach Robin with Health Partners. You can head to healthpartners.com/meetrobin.
There's also a number to call, 833-256-7046, and be sure to ask them about those community meetings.
Thank you both.
Great, thank you very much.